Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Neet MCQs 2021, and today we are going to discuss chapter 2, that is biological classification MCQs, and these MCQs are very helpful for your Neet exam, so don't miss any of these. So let's start our question 1 without wasting any time. Question 1 is, which of the following characteristics are used by Whittaker for the classification of organisms? So here you can see four options are given. First is mode of nutrition, second is thallus organization, the third one is phylogenetic relationship, and the fourth one is all of the above. So the correct option is all of the above. Okay, all three methods are used by Whittaker for classification of organisms. Now we move to question number 2. Question number 2 is, organisms of which of the following kingdom do not have nuclear membrane? Basically, nuclear membrane is absent in bacteria, as we know, and bacteria mainly belongs to kingdom Monera. So the option C is correct. Okay guys. Now we move to question number 3. Question number 3 is, protists are single cell eukaryotes, multicellular eukaryotes, single cell prokaryotes, or single cell eukaryote. So the protists mainly are single cell eukaryotes. So option A is correct. Okay. Now we move to question number 4. Question number 4 is, which of the following pigment is present in cyanobacteria? As you know guys, cyanobacteria basically known as blue-green algae, and it have pigment A, okay, chlorophyll A. So option A is correct. Now we move to question number 5. Question number 5 is, which of the following is the smallest living cell and can live without oxygen? Four options are mycoplasma, mycorrhiza, euglena, trypanosoma. So the correct option is mycoplasma. Mycoplasma is the smallest living cell that can live without oxygen. Okay. Now we move to question number 6. Question number 6 is, which of the following processes are involved in the reproduction of protists? Four options are given. First is binary fission and budding. Second is cell fusion and zygote formation. Third is spore formation and cyst formation. And the fourth one is all of the above. So the correct option for this question is all of the above. Okay, option D is correct. So all the three processes are involved in reproduction of protist. Now we move to question number 7. Question number 7 is, which of the following pairs come under the group chrysophytes? So chrysophytes basically diatoms and desmids. Okay, so option C is correct. Now we move to question number 8. Question number 8 is, which of the following is an example of amoeboid protozoans? So four options are given. First is trypanosoma, second is paramecium, and the third one is gonioclux, and the D is entamoeba. So the correct option is entamoeba. This is basically an example of amoeboid protozoans. Okay. Now we move to question number 9. Question number 9 is, which of the following is a parasitic fungi on mustard plant? And this is albugo. Okay, option A is correct. Now we move to question number 10. Question number 10 is, which of the following is used extensively in biochemical and genetic work? Four options are given. First is agaricus, alternia, neurospora, or mucor. So the correct option is neurospora. Okay, this is mainly used in genetic work. Okay. Now we move to question number 11. Question number 11 is, which of the following are examples of deuteromycetes? First is Alternia, second is Coletrotrichum, and the third one is Trichoderma, and the fourth one is all of the above. So here you can see all the three are example of deuteromycetes. So option D is correct. Now we move to question number 12. Okay. So question number 12 is, which group of fungi is commonly known as imperfect fungi? So this is basically deuteromycetes. Okay. Option D is correct. Now we move to question number 13. Question number 13 is, bladderwort and Venus flytrap are examples of insectivorous plants, parasitic plants, nitrogen-rich plants, or aquatic plants. So these are basically insectivorous plants. So option A is correct. Okay. Now we move to question number 14. Question number 14 is, the subunit of capsid is called core, amino acid, nucleotide, or capsomere. So capsomere. Okay, option D is correct. Capsomere is the subunit of capsid. Okay, now we move to question number 15. Question number 15 is, which of the following is not a viral disease? So we have to find out the correct one. So let's check. Option A is AIDS and mumps, smallpox and herpes, influenza and cholera. So the correct option is option D, cholera. It is not a viral disease. It is basically a bacterial disease, which is caused by bacteria Vibrio cholerae. Okay, guys. So option D is correct. Now we move to question number 16. Question number 16 is, the symbiotic association between fungi and algae is called. So it is normally known as lichen. Okay, guys. Now we move to question number 17. Question number 17 is, the genetic material of virus includes only RNA, only DNA, DNA and RNA both, or RNA or DNA. So in viruses mainly either RNA or DNA possess. Okay, so option D is correct. Not both occur. Okay, so option D is correct. Now we move to question number 18. So question number 18 is, dikaryon formation is the characteristic feature of Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes, Phycomycetes and Basidiomycetes, Ascomycetes or Phycomycetes, and the last one is Phycomycetes or Zygomycetes. So these are the basically name of fungi, and in these fungi dikaryon phase is mainly formed in Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes. Okay, so option A is correct. Now we move to question number 19. Question number 19 is, clamp connection is found in option A Basidiomycetes, option B Ascomycetes, and the third one is Saccharomycetes, and the option D is Haplomycetes. So clamp connection is mainly found in Basidiomycetes. Option A is correct. Now we move to question number 20. Plasmogamy is the fusion of option A, two haploid cells including their nuclei, two haploid cells without nuclear fusion, sperm and egg, sperm and two polar nuclei. So the correct option is option B, two haploid cells without nuclear fission is plasmogamy. Okay, now we move to question number 21. Question number 21 is, which scientist classified plants into trees, shrubs and herbs, and animals into two groups based on or absence of red blood cells? So here you can see 4 options are given. So we have to find out the right one. So let's check. Aristotle, R.H. Whittaker, D.J. Ivanovsky or W.M. Stanley. So the correct option is Aristotle. Okay. Now we move to question number 22. Question number 22 is fungi are filamentous with exception of X, which unicellular. Identify X. So X is basically here in this unicellular. Yeast, albugo, lichen, mucor. So yeast is basically a unicellular fungi. Okay. So option A is correct. Now we move to question number 23. The question 23 is the bacteria which oxidize various inorganic substance and used the release energy for the synthesis of food is called which? Archaebacteria or heterotrophic bacteria or photosynthetic autotrophic bacteria or chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria. So here the correct option is option D. This is mainly known as chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria. Okay guys. Now we move to question number 24. Question number 24 is which of the following statement is not correct for viruses? So we have to find out the incorrect statement for virus. Okay, let's check. Question number 1 is option A is viruses are obligate parasites. This is correct. Virus can multiply only when they are inside the living host. This is also right. And option C is viruses cannot pass through bacterial filters. This is wrong. They can pass. Okay. So option C is correct for the given question. Let's check fourth one also. Viruses are made up of protein, DNA or RNA. Never both. Yeah, this is also right. So the incorrect statement is option C for question number 24. Now we have to move on question number 25. Which of the following statement is correct for archaea? For archaebacteria, archaea resemble eukaryotes in all aspects. Archaea have some novel features that are absent in other prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Archaea completely differ from both prokaryotes and eukaryotes, or archaea completely differ from prokaryotes. So the correct option for this is option B. Archaea means archaebacteria. Okay, so archaea have some novel features that are absent in other prokaryotes. Okay. Now we move to question number 26. Question number 26